What's going on YouTube? A quick unboxing and setup video for you today. We're looking at the CLEEBOURG Qi wireless car charger mount. This car charger supports fast charging. It's an automatic clamping car phone holder with a additional air vent attachment for the dashboard. It's compatible with just about any phone that supports wireless charging, so your iPhone 10s, your Samsung S10s, and other phones should work with this. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside. For starters, we'll start with the actual clamping unit as well as charging unit. It will attach to the other parts by ball joint. Here we have a simple USB cable, nothing special there. Here we have the suction mount, and as you can see, the suction mount can be positioned and extended in different ways with fastening knobs in order to hold it in place. And put that to the side, and then here we have the instructions. Shouldn't be too difficult, but if you do run into problems, this should help you with warranty information on the back. And it looks like finally we have the air vent mount, which you should be able to squeeze this. There you go. You can squeeze it and clamp this to the air vent. I'm not a big fan of these, but it's there for if you want to use it. I'm more of a fan of the suction attachment. So let's go ahead and put this together, making sure that the ball joint is loose. You should be able to fit this right on here. It took a little hard work, but I did manage to attach it, and this is what it will look like. Now, I'm in the house, so I'm just going to use a wall adapter, but it's going to work the same once you attach this to a USB cigarette lighter holder or USB in your car. And after you have it attached, as you can see, it opens up and it closes, and this should be by motion. So holding your phone next to it, there you go. It will lock the phone in place, and then the small sensor on the side will open the phone so that you can take it. And there you have it. It's a pretty nice product. I haven't had a chance to use it yet, so I cannot tell you just how fast that it can charge. It says 2 times charging speed. That should be true, but I can't confirm that. But actually, this was a gift for my sister. We had just went on the road a couple days back, and she had a car holder. You know, it wasn't a charger, and so my biggest concern was that this was one of those chargers that you sit in your cup holder, which meant that it's a whole lot lower than something that you can put on an air vent or suction on the top of the dashboard. And if you're using something like Maps or Google Maps or something like that, you don't want to have to glance that far down in order to see something or in order to be prompted by anything. I feel like if you're using a car holder and you're driving, the least amount of turning your head, you know, the least amount of distraction, the better, especially with how crazy people drive these days. So hope she likes it. I may just get myself one. I have a car holder, but mine does not have the wireless charging to it, which is a surprise because I've had my iPhone 10 for about, I have a 10s Max now, but I've had something that could do wireless charging for like almost 2 years now. So I guess it's about time that I go ahead and get something like this for myself as well. But that's it for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.